Today in this video, I am going to talk about enter key parameter in Froala editor. So as you can see that I have opened JSFiddle on my desktop, and these are the areas for HTML, CSS, and this one is for JavaScript. So you need to include these two files under resources in order to run the functionality of enter key. So with the help of this, you can customize the way enter key behaves, and there are three possible options. So the first one is this. So by default, the editor is using p tab. When enter key is hit, a new p tag is created. So now I am pressing enter key and I'm going to view this. So as you can see, it create multiple p tag. So the second one is the editor can use div tags also, and when you will hit enter, so you can see it create multiple div tags. And the last one is when you hit enter, then it will create multiples br tags. So this is the output. So in the same way, you can customize the way enter key behaves, and you can use the same script in your project also. So this is all about it, and thanks a lot for watching this video.